Hello, I'm Amarilis and I will show you how to make mushroom with toilet paper roll. You're gonna need yarn, styrofoam ball and toilet paper rolls. To make the mushroom cap, you will need half of the styrofoam ball, so cut it carefully in half. Or even more simple, you can buy half styrofoam ball. You will use a toilet paper roll to make the mushroom stem. To create the mushroom shape, tape together the styrofoam and the toilet paper roll. The best way to do it is to tape them together using masking tape. Do not hesitate to put several pieces of masking tape so the mushroom stay together. Now that you have a nice mushroom shape, you can grab the yarn. To make a mushroom, you will need two different yarn colors. One yarn color for the cap and another yarn color for the stem. Put a little glue in the center of the styrofoam. Spread it evenly. Take the end of the yarn and place it in the center of the styrofoam and start gluing the yarn, wrapping it around the styrofoam shape. Add more glue when needed and keep wrapping the yarn around. When the mushroom cap is covered with yarn, you can cut the extra length. This is what your mushroom must look like at this point. Take the yarn color you choose to make the mushroom stem. Apply glue on the cardboard roll. And start wrapping the yarn around the toilet paper roll. Start wrapping next to the edge and keep wrapping the yarn around and adding glue until all the cardboard roll is covered. With the same piece of yarn, you have to cover the bottom of the styrofoam piece. Once all the yarn is glued, you can cut the extra length. And done! You just have made a cute DIY mushroom. It's a lovely decoration for fall. You can make as many mushrooms as you like, using different yarn colors and different styrofoam balls sizes. I hope you enjoyed crafting with me. Follow me for more easy DIY and craft ideas.